Celebrated with festive gaiety across the state, Governor stresses need for harmony among the people. Minister Biswajit slams advertisement tag on the government, asserts government needs to disseminate its development programs. And Seizure Hospitals and Research Institute has treated 11 children under Seizure Children Heartbeat program at subsidized rates. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangchum bringing you the top stories. The annual Kut Festival of the Kuki Chin Mizo community was celebrated with traditional fervor and gaiety across the state today. The main celebration of the festival was organized by state-level Kut committee at the first Manipur Rifles ground. Speaking at the event as the chief guest, Governor Dr. Najma A. Heptullah, culture it's beyond religion and appreciated people for their unity. She appealed to people to embrace one's culture, tradition, arts, crafts, dresses and foods and also help one another to bring growth and development in the state. As per tradition, the governor hit the gung thrice and released gas balloons to mark the inauguration of the Kut festival. Kuki cultural troupes coming from various districts of the state performed songs and dances at the celebration. Deputy Chief Minister Y. Joy Kumar, Minister V. Henkalian, T.H. Shyam Kumar, Karam Shyam, Losi Dikho, Lok Sabha MP Thangso Vaite, top civil and police officials attended the celebration.
All the indigenous people of this great world have got something common that we should enjoy. We should celebrate the festival of harvest, which the Kut festival really represents today. Let Manipur grow, develop further together with everybody's help. Yet continue to remember our culture, continue to enjoy our traditional culture, art, craft and dresses and the food.
Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren asserted that the Kut festival has brought peace and harmony amongst various communities living in the state. Biren hoped that the post-harvest festival will bring peace, harmony, development and sustainability in the state. He was speaking as a chief guest in the evening session of the Kut festival at the first Manipur Rifles ground.
Hingu amasung hingalo haiba wakhalonda lon drama pija chakcha khenaba lining naisol tinadaba kangluk kayana punna kleita dona leminari balamda masida amukka hena ekhoi punna nungsi sanana hingminnabagi saktam sagat pada kut kumai asina choba thogang lawri aduna phajjan mapung phana irang yauduna ishor gi mingda ningthina shanti laina Pangthok pangamba ohenbiu had na isoro ni saraga amuk han kut kidam tai mayam da yakho bogin picture.
The important part of the festival is that the food is an effective instrument of socializing across the communal boundary.
Chavang Kut was also celebrated in Technopol district. Commerce and Industry Minister Thongam Biswajit took part in the celebration as the chief guest at the celebration organized by Technopol district Chavang Kut Celebration Committee. In his speech, the minister said the festival will bring harmony and integrity among different communities living in the state. Biswajit also assured the people that a guest house will soon be constructed in Technopol district. He handed over a sum of ₹1 lakh to Chavang Kut Celebration Committee. Cultural performances and Miss Kut beauty pageant are the highlights of the festival. Technopol District Chavang Kut Celebration Committee for the first time in the district headquarters. was also celebrated in Chandal district. District Court Committee organized the post-harvest festival on the theme Food for Cultural Integrity at ZYO Lampak at Sugnu Lamhang. Water Resource and YS Minister Letpa Haukip, MLAs and a large number of people took part in the celebration. Traditional songs and dances marked the celebration. Mist Kut Chandal pageant will be the highlight of the festival. Minister Letpa Haukip emphasized the need to preserve and protect culture nurtured by the forefathers. The 69th Information and Public Relations Day was observed at the IPR complex in Moirangkom today. Speaking as chief guest, IPR Minister Thongam Biswajit refuted the advertisement tag on the government and asserted that the intention of the government is to highlight the development works taken up in the state. He said the main objective of DIPR is to disseminate information to the people on the achievements and activities of the government. He also stressed the need for transparency and accountability in a democracy, and DIPR is a medium between people and the government. He said the government is aware of the deteriorating condition of the national highways. However, due to bad weather conditions, the works could not be completed on time. He said if the weather condition is favorable, the construction and repair works could be easily completed within 10 to 20 days. IPR Commissioner K. Radhakumar said the role of the DIPR is very important and it could be considered as a two-way traffic. Director IPR Meghachandra Kungbam emphasized the need for a change in the department to achieve the government's goals to inform, educate and enlighten the public. Minister Biswajit inaugurated a 3-day DIPR festival on government's achievement part of the celebration. A number of photographs of several programs of the government and press releases issued by the department were also displayed. It was on this day in 1949 that a publicity office was set up with late R.K. Maipaksana as the first publicity officer.
Yamna press media da yamna focus piragana ko thabak itau tawdagi waqtum nataba dubai koina tawgada thabak thoram punamak se koi praja sing ta hana khangan bai se koi ithawni matam laku matam da ma imagi thu one by one implement or plan se koi community planning program ma thu ina koi chatra ko pocha ka mani adu koi lu tarani natra kunni khakta matam video madu da koi gi adum koina 20 days duki manung da koina kari to bonong ge natra kari to ge do akoi praja myam du se ge je ai minister amu koina koi chawthona du hai jage ko media ki now thing je sanitization sum tawjabani marakta koina highway da labdi cha tuki badi khatre ai su cha toina adu highway je koina ta tam long state pa chalaga same ya da bagi port khra su leiba adu when koina darkar lai matam da paisa available oi bagi port lai ta base situation koina khangina ba darkar lai.
RD and PR Minister T.H. Biswajit asserted that the government makes no discrimination on the basis of caste or creed or lifestyle. He said the government, by following the slogan, "Go to hills and bridging the gap," is making all-out efforts to bring equal development in the hills and valley. Biswajit was speaking as the chief guest at Liang Mai Community's Charangi Festival at Makui Liangchi village, 103 kilometers south of Imphal in Chandal district yesterday. The minister urged the people to work towards achieving integrity and unity among various communities in the state. He also announced that the present 25 kV transformer in the village will be replaced by 100 kVA, one within 3 or 4 days, to ensure electricity for all by March 2019. A football ground was also inaugurated at the event. Villages of Makui and neighboring villages performed various cultural dances at the event.
Fakta pasigi miling sina haili. This is mutum mari mga. Ini mucha kini abse mukang kanja bani.
Masidi yamna nungaiba pochak mayam phangi festival yawbuju phangi lambi gi film khangbuju khangi lampham je leiriba praja jingi awaba nungaiba punamak chu khangabnina ai sarkar da meeting tobo matam da yamna proudly ngang bangam bagi tanja amusu praja mayamna pibire musigi damuk chu thagat chari haina ai thamjabaga lona na mafam seida lambi thong PMJSY rural development panchayati raj gi makhada leibani masi kanagumba contractor amana Some Sahi Kragi Mamang the Toramaga Lotion than a labor chair. I showed Namaki, Loshal Harkanda, Prajamiam, the communication Yaudana, Chakutpat Kongdang, the Tinda Bahabashi, Honachani, and a quick communication enhanced over not only this, a quick Payamjas Wagi Rotus Natana, I Bihar Manungi Leriba, Jaga, Kudimax da Equina, a quick connectivity enhanced on Bahabase, I give Wakalon Amata, when a Logani.
Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah interacted with the members of All India Service Officers and Wives Association at the visiting hall of Raj Bhavan yesterday. Light elements of like culture, attires, music, dance, food habits, passions, travelling and charity were discussed during the interactive session. Governor Heptullah appreciated Manipuri traditional attires for their unique beauty. She disclosed her intention of inviting her designer friends at international level to promote Manipur ethnic and traditional costumes. Stating that the Manipuris have a great fondness for dance and music, she invited the wives of the officials to celebrate Holi with her next year. The governor also stressed that women can participate in community development by engaging in social welfare activities, like taking care of garbage in their localities, starting a book club, doing small charitable works at their level, and even establishing a women association with the aim of doing some innovative, collaborative services for the betterment of society. She also said she is ready to extend cooperation and all possible help if they wish to initiate any innovative tasks for social and community development of the state. An operation was allegedly cancelled at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences at the last minute, citing wet clothes to be used during the surgery. The patient was operated on at the Advanced Hospital Palace compound. The patient expressed dissatisfaction at the incident which occurred at one of the prestigious hospitals of the state. Speaking to media persons at Manipur Press Club today, the patient Leisangthem Suresh, 45 years, from Thauba Leisangthem, said after he was diagnosed with hernia, he went to Jenims Hospital for operation on October 30th. He was told that the operation would be conducted the same day and he was taken inside the operation theatre around noon. However, the surgery was not held till 2:30 in the afternoon and he was informed that the clothes to be used in the operation got wet. He alleged the two operations were conducted on two patients who were brought in after him. He said he went to Advanced Hospital and got operated. Suresh questioned as to why clothes and equipment required for operation were not adequately stocked in one of the biggest public hospitals. Suresh drew the attention of the authorities concerned to look into the matter so that poor patients will not be unnecessarily harassed in future.
Tang kuntra October gi Monday numisda kodakta numidangi pung tarukta aya operation tawki kari maram gi damukta aina operation si kudakta advanced hospital da tawri bano haibagi maramdi Zen hospital gi se sang document kudimak singdo advanced hospital da aina pull up to tell is so tawro matungda advanced hospital gi miyo eduna yani operation pangthoji haidana numidang pung tarukta operation mai pangna pangthok piki.
Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch celebrated Ningol Chakoba and presented gifts to widows and destitute women at its office in MG Avenue today. 19 widows attended the event. Speaking at the event, Vice Chairman of Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch Narendra Ningombam said the Indian Red Cross Society Manipur State Branch, under the initiative of its secretary, Professor Y. Mohan, has been celebrating Ningol Chakoba from last year. He said widows should not be living a lowly life and assured the Red Cross Society Manipur will always be there to help them. Secretary of the branch, Professor Y. Mohan, also said Red Cross Society will make celebrate Ningol Chakoba for them in future.
Red Cross conflict zone Marai Bukhi be window since it's a why because of a tradition say. Tongnam Sole Hona by Naquina, Kana Jedi, Tungalaka, the Wa, office lawyers in Haran volunteers in show, how then another than mention of a maritime liver can trick you with dosing. No way Maruna, Concealer Shandraba. My progressing group secure. Naharona, Akiba group, the security force, put the leg in the group, sing it, command to Ambu, and issue Punzalaga. We being that the Amatani arrived than victims in Kiki with those things. That was not she that accused of missing.
A combined team of Taubal Commando and 26 Assam Rifles arrested a cadre of KCP MJC today. The cadre is identified as Muhammad Aslam, alias Mazid, 28 years, son of Samad from Sora Makhalaikai. Sources said the team arrested Aslam during a search operation around 2 this afternoon. To demand letters of KCP, MJC and 2 mobile phones were also seized from him. A combined team of Taubal Police and Commando arrested a person along with drugs near Lilong Turil Hanbi Upak Thong today. The arrested person is identified as Muhammad Ziol Haq, 31 years, son of Zakir Hussain from Lilong Turil Hanbi Upak Thong, Maka Laikai. Ziol was arrested with 390 World Is Yours tablet, 743 SV tablets, 10 N10 tablets, 42 Dexona tablets, 4 bottles of K-Code cough syrup and rupees 23,000 during a search operation conducted by the team early this morning around 4. Taubal Police has registered a case against him and investigation is still going on. It's time for a small commercial break. Srija Hospitals and Research Institute has treated 11 children under the Siege Children Heartbeat program. We bring more details on the news after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. Siege Hospitals and Research Institute has treated 11 children at subsidized rate in the first phase of Siege Children Heartbeat program. Managing Director of SHRI, Dr. K.H. Palin today said in the second phase, they plan to treat a total of 20 children from November 27 to 30. The program is being organized as a part of Rashtriya Bal Swasthya Karyakram under National Rural Health Mission. In the first phase of the program, held for 3 days from October 12 till 14th, cardiac specialist Dr. R. Prem Sekhar from Chennai treated 11 children with holes in the heart chamber. Addressing media persons at a conference hall of Siege Hospital and Research Institute, Dr. K.H. Palin further said under the program a child was treated at a subsidized rate of rupees 30,000. He said NGO Siege Foundation contributed 30,000 rupees each for treatment of every children. He appealed to MLAs and other donors of the constituency. The 20 children belong to donate 30,000 rupees each for the treatment in the second phase. Cardiac specialist Dr. R. Prem Shekhar will be treating the children in the second phase. Director of Health Services Dr. K. Raju lauded efforts of Siege Hospitals and assured of possible contribution from the department and other central schemes.
Anabagi parents na imung manung na 30,000 ama koi puthole. Ajiki procedure si device ama yauri manung hapna device si amamam da cost si 70 to 80,000 piba. Adugi pot yaur pune maman si len bedagi sinabu hena tangi hai tare. Anabadagi 30,000. Adugo kanagumba donor MLA sing, aduga business housing, adugo honorable MP minister sing mayam sidagi akoina Nizarisi another 30,000. Magi Kendra da Laiba Anavasing Lying Bio.
LMS Counseling Center for employees to help them in accountant office statement related works was opened at the residence of Y. Lal Babu in Kurai Thoidingjam Laikai today. Speaking at the event, the Additional Director of State Academy Training, W. Chandrakumar, said employees in various departments are facing inconveniences due to lack of office procedure training while performing their duties. He said the counseling center will remove the hurdles and inconveniences faced by government employees. Struggle Committee Manipur SCM drew attention of the Chief Minister to non-distribution of PDS items. Publicity and propaganda convener of SCM and Tanoranjan told media persons that non-distribution of PDS items to beneficiaries has created more problems for the people after a recent flood. He said people have the right to avail various items like cereals, pulses and oil apart from rice and sugar under the NFSA scheme. He said it is unfortunate that the Chief Minister has maintained silence regarding the matter. SCM warned of hesitations if the Chief Minister does not look into the matter at the earliest.
National Food Security Act ki makhada miyam da mapung oina lairaba miyam da phangada PDS ki polam sing asi ngasi phawba mamang thak taki hona ngasi phawba mapung phana phangdana lairi asikumlaba tangkak asida Manipur gi mari lainaba authority singna amadi Manipur gi damakta achumba tawgani haina lairiba Chief Minister phawbana miyeng changdana laiba si yamna laibak thiningai masak ama oi athu matamda Chief Minister na miyeng changbi Taragadi, Struggle Committee Manipur Galona, Kunas the Lariba, Lebak Myang Galona, Akanba, Democratic by Konjaka, sanction of Dr. Sims had Baluera Habasi, Langakta Kanganjari.
Rotary Club of Imphal, Rotary International District 3240 celebrated 46th Foundation Day at Rotary Multipurpose Center Hall in Manipur today. 7 media persons, including 2 media persons from Impact News, were felicitated at the event. Reporter of Impact News, Mutum Ramesh Chandra, cameraman of Impact News, Lai Mayum Subhas, Sangai Express, Konsam Samita, Pogno Farms, Dev Chandra, Ichel Express, Baby Shrine, ISTV's Oinam Ibo Chauba, and Ajit Kumar Lai Sangthem were felicitated at the event. District Handlooms and Textiles Office Imphal was in joint collaboration with Directorate of Handlooms and Textiles, Government of Manipur, organized an awareness program on handlooms and handicrafts delivery scheme, Mudra National Handlooms and Handicrafts Development Program at Awangjiri Community Hall in Imphal West District yesterday. Chairman of Tourism Corporation of Manipur, Dr. Sapam Ranjan, Chairman of Manipur Handloom and Handicraft Rajen Singh, Project Manager of District Handlooms T.H. Sunila and Pradhan of Yaro Bandia Gram Panchayat L. Sorojini took part at the program. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Dr. S. Ranjan said, apart from sports, Kala and Sanskriti, handlooms and handicrafts popularizes the state and lauded the women weavers of the state for popularizing the state in the country and the rest of the world through their efforts.
Handloom and handicrafts section is a prayer of labor is a prayer of other way in Kuzakuma, Tabasakam, Silla, Isai Central Lamio, Social, another thing on the Rhine City, like awareness programs, Makata, Tani, fighting for the training and Tausi Kotsi and that way. After I am the president of the city, another.
Kangpokpi District Headquarters celebrated Rashtriya Ekta Divas and Rashtriya Sankalp Divas yesterday. The 100-day yoga training program jointly organized by Sagolban Hainopok Patanjali Yoga Center and Bharat Swabhiman Trust and Patanjali Yoga Samiti Imphal West at Ima Ibema Yumjau Lairenbi Laipung in Hainopok concluded at Sagolban Hainopok Patanjali Yoga Center today. Certificates were distributed to the participants at the closing event. And now the sports news. Elangbam Leka Youth Welfare Club accorded organized a reception for fencer Elangbam Inglemba, who backed gold in the Asian Fencing Championship at Keshamthong Elangbam Leka Marine Drive today. Elangbam Inglemba backed gold in under-12 boys epi event of Asian Fencing Championship held at Bangkok, Thailand from September 9 to 12. He had also won medals at various state and national levels. Hyanglam MLA Dr. Radhesham, IGP Dr. S. Ibocha, Padma Shri awardee Naba Warepa, Secretary of Manipur Fencing Association were present at the reception. Leitembi Youth Welfare Organization, Naharo Pangong Makong Imphal East felicitated archer Ningthaujam Jamson, who backed gold and silver in the Youth World Archery Championship in Rosario, Argentina from September 30 to October 7th. Today, Jamson won a gold in the mixed team and silver in the men's team at the championship. He has also won several medals at national and international level championships. Haurang Sabal Youth Club of Kangchup Road felicitated C.H. Sonia, M. Ronaldo and A.L. Rohit, who participated in the Eastern India Powerlifting Championship yesterday. Maklam Gram Panchayat's Upapradhan T. Bubon Chandra and General Secretary of All Manipur Powerlifting Association, N.G. Thoiba, also attended the felicitation. Gifts were presented to silver medalist C.H. Sonia and the participants M. Ronaldo and L. Rohit. Scoring 9 points, India have entered the quarterfinals of the 9th Asia Cup Women's Hockey. In the Pool A League match played at Kakamigara Kawasaki Stadium in Gifu, Japan yesterday, India routed Malaysia 2-0. For the winners, Vandana Kataria and Gurjit Kaur netted 1 goal each in the 54th and 55th minute of the match. In a match played between India and Singapore on the 28th of this month, India thrashed Singapore by 10-0, followed by yet another victory over China by 4-1. 8 Asian countries are participating in the Hockey Cup. India and Kazakhstan will face each other in the first quarter-final to be played on November 2. Before we end the bulletin, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Chavangkot celebrated with festive gaiety across the state. Governor stresses need for harmony among the people. Minister Biswajit slams advertisement tag on the government, asserts government needs to disseminate its development programs. And CJ Hospitals and Research Institute has treated 11 children under CJ Children Heartbeat program at subsidized rates.